A jolt and then you'll die.
GoSpace SuperCharger, the one which solves all your file transfer and fast charging needs. SuperCharger provides you a convenience way. You don't need other devices to use your adapter and transfer data. Just transferring data by one device. GoSpace SuperCharger. You could edit your stuff on your electronic device by any time and anywhere you like. Use it when needed. GoSpace SuperCharger. Not just a card adapter, not a normal charger. It could also be a super power bank. Large MAH that could support your life. SuperCharger also supports the latest power delivery, fast charging technology. You can charge your laptop and mobile devices at the same time, which can support new MacBook. All your device needed is GoSpace SuperCharger. GoSpace provides you all the adapters for different countries. Just one move and 1 second to switch the adapters you need. Just pick the one you need and you are ready to go. Our multi-protection safety system will make you feel safe to bring GoSpace SuperCharger out.
Let UGREEN 65-watt gallium nitride fast charger solve all your troubles. This charger endows with 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. Adhering to the design concept of all-in-one, so you can connect up to 4 devices at the same time. The concept of all-in-one was perfectly expressed in this product, designed to power supply for multiple devices. Smartphones, laptops, tablet, and Nintendo Switch can all be charged via this charger simultaneously. No need to worry about the different watt requirements of your devices. The built-in intelligent chip will auto-match with the optimal output. The secret of efficient charging relies on the latest gallium nitride technology, which makes this charger smaller in size and more efficient on performance. This charger has comprehensive protections to avoid overcharging, short circuit, and etc. In addition to that, and it provides the low temperature operation. What's more, fast charge protocols such as power delivery, quick charge, fast charge protocol can also be achieved. The design of all-in-one helps you get rid of the mess of charging. Travel-friendly foldable plugs offer the optimal compactness and convenience. To see the technology, to see the UGREEN 65-watt gallium nitride power delivery fast charger.
Introducing the new 65-watt and 100-watt stackable HyperJuice with multiple USB-C and USB-A ports. With the 65-watt model, you can quick charge a laptop, tablet, and smartphone all at the same time. The 100-watt version with its 4 ports will allow you to also quick charge an additional USB device. It doesn't take much for big, awkward chargers to fall out of your wall socket. The stackable HyperJuice, on the other hand, with its slim profile and diminutive size, not only stays close and secure to the wall, it also gives you back your outlet, supporting up to 1,500 watts of power. And this is where it gets fun. Gone are the days of fighting with coworkers over the last open spot on the power strip. Up until now, big, bulky chargers would hog up all of the outlets, leaving everyone else out in the cold. With the stackable HyperJuice, just stack one on top of the other, and everyone can power all of their devices with just one outlet. And that allows for a whopping 1,600 watts of delicious electrical goodness. The secret to its small size and powerful punch lies in gallium nitride, a new semiconductor material that allows chargers to be smaller and more efficient. So that's the new stackable HyperJuice.
Introducing Passport Go with GaN from Zendure. Passport Go is the first all-in-one travel adapter with cutting-edge GaN technology, supplying up to 30 watts of power in one easy-to-pack device. USB-C power delivery means Passport Go is compatible with the latest devices. Passport Go can charge up to 5 devices at the same time. Spend less time managing your gadgets and more time out of the hotel room. Passport Go has an auto-resetting fuse, meaning there will be no nasty overnight surprises. With a typical travel adapter, if you blow the fuse, you'll have to go out and find a replacement. Passport Go recovers all on its own. If you need a quick recharge on the go, Passport Go has you covered. 30-watt USB-C power delivery charges your phone more quickly than other travel adapters, so you'll never miss a beat. Or an opportunity. Passport Go works in over 200 countries, so it's always ready for your next adventure. Where will you go? Get charged, get going.
Introducing G6, the world's first 60-watt travel adapter with GaN technology. Featuring a USB-C 60-watt port and 2 USB-A ports in one easy-to-pack device. G6 charges up to 4 devices at the same time, supporting all USB devices including phones, tablets and laptops. With USB-C 60-watt power delivery 3.0, G6 has double the output of the leading competitor, allowing you to fast charge high-powered devices such as the 13-inch MacBook Pro at full speed. Recharging your device in countries with different outlets can be a huge inconvenience. With G6, you're always covered, meaning you can capture all those unforgettable moments. With a typical travel adapter, if you blow the fuse, you'll have to buy a replacement. G6 solves this problem with an auto-resetting fuse that allows it to recover all on its own, meaning there will be no nasty surprises, so you never have to pause from your day. G6 is designed for safe worldwide use in over 200 countries, with plugs for USA, Europe, UK and Australia. G6's groundbreaking size is made possible through gallium nitride, a smaller and more efficient semiconductor material. Be fly like a G6.
Introducing HyperJuice, the world's smallest 100-watt charger that is 50% smaller than traditional chargers. With 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports. It's a quick charge your smartphone, laptop, tablet, and mobile device, all at the same time. With 100-watt dual USB-C power delivery, a single HyperJuice charger can power 2 laptops simultaneously. HyperJuice is about the size of a pack of cards, so it can easily fit in any pocket. Featuring built-in foldable wall plugs, so you don't need to mess with bulky cables. There are also pin converters to work in almost every country, so it's travel-friendly. The secret to HyperJuice lies in gallium nitride, a new semiconductor material that enables chargers to be smaller and more efficient. HyperJuice.
The Nimble is the world's first travel adapter to feature dual Type-C charging ports. Independently powered from the rest of the adapter, the QC and PD port ensures there is always enough wattage to power your larger devices. It's universally armed with adapters suitable for over 250 countries, supporting a wide range of devices. Nimble can safely transfer energy twice as fast from any socket on the planet. Nimble allows you to be safe and seamless wherever you go. It's lightweight and fun-sized. You won't even notice you have it with you until you need it the most. With Nimble, you can travel like a pro and charge like a local.
Introducing CHARGIC 100-watt and 65-watt USB charger, the world's first charger that can simultaneously charge 3 MacBooks. With 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A ports, CHARGIC is the world's smallest 4-port GaN charger. CHARGIC 100-watt is smaller than a cigarette pack, and 65-watt is smaller than AirPods Pro. Designed for the most demanding professionals on the go, CHARGIC is the ultimate charging solution to face any challenge and pursue every passion. Whether you're a freelancer, digital artist, or an innovator, it can fully support the charging of laptops, mobile phones, tablets, cameras, and drones, providing energy for your busy lifestyle. CHARGIC 100 Watt has 2 USB-C ports up to 100 watt, 1 USB-C and 1 USB-A port up to 30 watt. CHARGIC 65 Watt has 2 USB-C ports up to 65 watt, 1 USB-C and 1 USB-A port up to 30 watt. It has an innovative AI power management chip, which can intelligently distribute optimal power for charging devices. CHARGIC supports worldwide 100 to 240 volt voltage and comes with various pin converters so that it can be used in virtually any country. It's small and easy to carry. Whether you're in the office, at home, or busy traveling, you can quickly charge all your devices at any time. No matter how many smart devices you have, you only need one CHARGIC from now on.
This is the newest and first ADG 100 watts gallium nitride charger and hub. It's 100 watts gallium nitride technology that makes it a pocket-sized charger and hub that enables charging of 4 devices, while also connecting the laptop to either projector or television. This is also the first of its kind to launch an Ethernet port. It can directly connect your laptop to Wi-Fi router for a faster internet connection. The 3.5mm port for headphone is also a gift to every audiophile. Transferring data from micro SD and SD simultaneously is now possible while using other ports too, while the HDMI connection is an impressive 4K at 60 Hz. Pin converters suitable to different countries. That also makes it a travel-friendly hub. Needless to say, we can get all the job done in just the blink of an eye. ADG 100 watts gallium nitride charger and hub. Introducing smallest size, half size of iPhone 12 mini, the latest 100 watts gallium nitride charger of Mopoint. This Mopoint 100 watt has 3 USB-C and 1 sub-A ports. It is the world's first 100 watts charger that can also provide 20 watts fast charging for the new iPhone 12. The updated gallium nitride technology makes Mopoint a high-efficient portable charger that can power 4 devices all at the same time. Powering 2 laptops in a snap can never be this efficient with its higher wattage. The included universal travel adapters also allows you to explore wherever. More ports, higher efficiency, and more powerful. Mopoint.